Hello everybody, it's me, Beau, and I'm little Bo Peep. And today we are going to be reviewing this little guy right here. Why don't we review you? You suck. He's kind of rude, but all the things that I've ever wanted to say, he can now say because after all, puppets don't have filters. First of all, this is from Budsies right here. That's right. I was manufactured in an overseas factory. I feel so much trauma. No, he wasn't manufactured in an overseas factory. He was actually manufactured here in the United States. And essentially, we sent in a picture that looks like this. Go ahead and hold that up. I can't. How come? I don't have opposable thumbs. Anyway, there's a picture of me right there that my wife submitted. And for my birthday, she basically got a miniature clone of myself. What, you think it was gonna be life-size? That'd be creepy. Now I can actually put him in my luggage and, oh, now we're talking about trafficking, aren't we? I'm gonna go right now, but first of all, you can see that he's got these cute, adorable little shoes right here, blue pants, a nice little bow tie. That's right, because my name is Beau. Yeah, and the glasses as well. The glasses could come off, but then I wouldn't be able to see. They're attached just with little darts in the upper left and upper right over there. The eye color and then the eyebrows also are accurate. Also some big eyebrows. It took him a whole spool of thread to get those puppies sewn on. Well, anyway, now he's gonna go insult me, and maybe he might even insult you next time you see little Bo Peep. Goodbye. Goodbye.